Hey everyone, welcome back to Salary Talk, the podcast where we help you understand money, work, and English at the same time. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mike. Hey everyone, really glad you're here today.
Mike, can I ask you something before we start?
Sure, go ahead.
When you got your very first job offer, did you negotiate the salary?
No, absolutely not. I just said yes immediately. Like, yes, thank you. When do I start?
Same. I was so scared. I thought, if I ask for more money, they will take the offer away.
Exactly. Nobody taught us how to do this.
And that is exactly what today's episode is about. Today, we are talking about salary negotiation, what it is, how to do it, and the exact phrases you can use in English.
Even if English is not your first language, even if you feel nervous, we got you.
By the end of this episode, you will know what to say, when to say it, and how to say it confidently.
Let's go.
Okay, so Mike, let's set the scene. You applied for a job, you did the interviews, and now the company calls you and says, "We would like to offer you the position."
Amazing feeling, by the way. That phone call is great.
The best. But then they say the number, the salary, and maybe it is lower than you expected.
Or maybe it is okay, but you know you could ask for more.
Right. So what do most people do in that moment?
Honestly, most people just say yes immediately because they are excited or scared or both.
And that is the mistake. Because here is something most people do not know. Companies almost always expect you to negotiate.
They build it into the process. The first number they give you is rarely their best number.
Think about it like buying a car. The price on the window is not the final price. Everyone knows that.
Good analogy. Salary works the same way.
So the negotiation is not rude. It is not greedy. It is actually expected.
And here's the part that really surprised me when I learned this. Hiring managers are not offended when you negotiate. Most of them respect it.
Because it shows confidence. It shows you know your value.
Exactly. And in the workplace, knowing your value is a skill, a very important skill.
So the first big lesson today is this. Negotiating is normal. It is professional, and it is expected.
Say it again, Lisa, because people need to hear it.
Negotiating your salary is normal. It is professional, and companies expect it.
Okay, let's pause here for a second. We used some important words just now. Lisa, let's break them down.
Yes, vocabulary spotlight time. This is where we slow down and look at the key words from our conversation.
Word number 1, negotiate. Negotiate. Negotiate.
To negotiate means to talk with someone to reach an agreement, usually about price or conditions.
Example sentence. I want to negotiate my salary before I sign the contract.
Say it with us. I want to negotiate my salary.
One more time. I want to negotiate my salary.
Good. Word number 2, offer. An offer is when a company officially gives you a job and tells you the salary.
Example, I received a job offer yesterday. Or, they made me an offer of $50,000 a year.
Repeat after us. I received a job offer.
I received a job offer.
Word number 3, compensation. This is a formal word for the money and benefits you receive for your work.
Compensation includes your salary, but also things like health insurance, vacation days, and bonuses.
Example, I'd like to discuss the total compensation package. This sounds very professional, very confident.
Repeat.
I would like to discuss the compensation package.
Counteroffer. A counteroffer is when you respond to their number with your own number.
So they say, we offer you $60,000. You say, thank you. I'd like to make a counteroffer of $65,000.
That sentence right there, that is one of the most valuable sentences in this episode. Write it down.
I'd like to make a counteroffer. Repeat.
I would like to make a counter offer.
Last one, value. Your value is what you bring to the company. Your skills, your experience, your results.
Example, I know my value and I am confident in my skills.
Okay, 5 words. Let's say them together one time fast. Negotiate, offer, Compensation, counteroffer, value.
Perfect. Keep those in your head because we are going to use them again right now.
Okay, so we know negotiating is normal and expected. But Mike, how do you actually do it? Like, what do you say?
Right. Because knowing it is okay is one thing. Having the actual words is another thing.
Especially in English. If English is your second language, this conversation feels 10 times harder.
So let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. They give you the offer. What is the first thing you do?
You do not say yes, and you do not say no. You say, "Thank you so much. I'm really excited about this opportunity. Can I have a couple of days to think it over?"
That sentence is so important. You are not rejecting them. You are buying yourself time.
And time is power in a negotiation.
Step 2. You do your research. You look up what other people in similar jobs are earning. Websites like Glassdoor or LinkedIn Salary can help with this.
You want to come back with a number that is realistic, not too low, not too high, based on data.
Step 3. You go back to them. And this is where people freeze. They don't know what to say.
So here is a simple script. Ready?
Ready.
Thank you again for the offer. I'm very excited about joining the team. Based on my research and experience, I was hoping we could discuss the compensation. I was thinking something closer to your number. Is there any flexibility there?
That is perfect. It is polite, it is confident, it gives a reason, and it ends with a question, which keeps the conversation open.
And notice, you are not demanding. You are not saying, "I want more money." You are saying, "Can we discuss this?"
That tone makes a huge difference.
Now, what if they say no? What if they say, "Sorry, that is our final offer"?
Great question. You have two choices. One, you accept and you negotiate something else. Maybe more vacation days, maybe a signing bonus, maybe a 6-month review for a raise.
Because remember, compensation is not just salary.
Choice 2, you politely decline and you keep looking. And that is okay too. You do not have to take every offer.
The point is, you have options. You always have options.
Okay, Lisa. Story time. Tell me about a real negotiation moment. Good or bad?
Okay, so this is a little embarrassing, but a few years ago I got a job offer, and the salary was okay, but I knew I could ask for more. I had done my research, I knew the market rate.
Good start. So what happened?
I practiced what I was going to say. I wrote it down, I rehearsed it in front of the mirror, I was ready.
Okay, I love this.
Then the recruiter called, and she set the number, and I just froze and said, "That sounds great, thank you."
No.
I know, all that preparation, and I just panic accepted.
How much do you think you left on the table?
Probably $5,000 a year, which over 3 years at that job was $15,000.
$15,000 because of one phone call.
One 30-second phone call. That still hurts.
Okay, so what would you do differently now?
Now I would use the pause. As soon as they give me the number, I would say, "Thank you so much. I'm really excited. Can I have until Thursday to review everything?"
Just buying that time changes everything because now you are not reacting emotionally. You are thinking clearly.
Exactly. And Mike, did you ever negotiate successfully?
Yes, actually. And the funny thing is, it wasn't a big, dramatic conversation. I just said, "I'm really excited about this role. I was hoping we could get the salary to number. Is that possible?"
That's it?
That's it. And they said, "Let us see what we can do," and came back 2 days later with a higher number.
See, it does not have to be a big, scary confrontation. Sometimes it is just one calm sentence.
One calm sentence that can change your financial life.
Okay, listeners, this is your section. Practice time.
We are going to give you 3 challenges. You can pause the episode right now and do them out loud. Yes, out loud. Speaking is different from just listening.
Challenge 1. Say this sentence out loud 3 times. Thank you for the offer. Can I have a few days to think it over?
Pause now and say it. We'll wait.
Good. Challenge 2. Fill in the blank out loud. Based on my research, I was hoping we could discuss the compensation. I was thinking something closer to Put a real number in that blank. Your number. The salary you want. Say it out loud. Get comfortable saying it. Challenge 3. This one is a little bigger. Think about a job you have now or a job you want, and answer this question out loud. What is one reason why I deserve a higher salary? Just one reason. Your experience, your skills, your results, something you bring to the table. Saying it out loud, even alone in your room, builds confidence, and confidence is half the battle in a negotiation. Key phrases to remember from today. Write these down. 1. Can I have a few days to think it over? 2. I'd like to discuss the compensation package. 3. I was thinking something closer to number. Is there any flexibility? 4. I'd like to make a counteroffer. 4 phrases, real phrases, phrases that actually work.
Okay, let's bring it home. Mike, what are the 3 big things from today?
Number 1. Negotiating your salary is normal, professional, and expected. Companies build it into the process.
Number 2, you do not have to respond immediately. Buying time is a strategy. Use the pause.
Number 3. You do not need perfect English to negotiate. You need a few calm, clear sentences. And we gave you those today.
Vocabulary from today: negotiate, offer, compensation, counteroffer, value. Review them. Use them this week.
And your challenge this week: if you are job hunting right now, practice your negotiation sentence before your next interview. Say it out loud every day until it feels natural.
And if you are not job hunting, share this episode with someone who is, because this is the conversation nobody is having and everybody needs.
We really appreciate you spending time with us today. It means a lot to us.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And leave us a comment. Tell us, have you ever negotiated a salary? How did it go?
We read every comment. Seriously.
All right, I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mike.
See you next time.